Alright, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to be putting a starter on the yard MaCheen. We got it for free from a clean out. I'm pretty sure, where is, hold on, I need an extension cord. Alright, yes, I'm aware that the spark plug wire is not hooked up. I know it's not going to start. I'm just plugging this in to show you what you should look for when you know your starter's up. Alright, so you take your wonderful power cord you got over here. I bet you it's not going to fit in here just because I'm trying to record a video. And guess what? I was right, it don't fit in here. Now I just look like an idiot. Let me grab another extension cord. We're back with extension cord number 36, because apparently all my extension cords are not made for this. Alright, so you take your extension cord that fits, you plug it in here. Now I'm going to look like a serious idiot if I push this button and for some reason it starts now, because I know it didn't. But you push this button and it does nothing. Okay. That right there is a bad starter. I'm going to take all this crap off. I'm going to turn the heat back on in the shop because I don't want to be frozen. And you guys are going to get a little time lapse because I want to be warm. And I'm sure you guys don't want to hear the heater running. So, I'll be back. I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse real quick, and I'll be back. Alright, so we got it out. Let's find out if it works. Yep, definitely not working. So that is a load of shit. I'll be right back with the new parts. So what we got here is Amazon specialties. I think it was like 67 bucks. I'll have to pull up a link and maybe put it on the video. But it appears to come with an extension cord. Could have used that a while ago. We got the new starter. Now in theory, we should be able to plug this in and work. So in theory, that's what's supposed to happen. Now this is cheap Amazon stuff. Like I said, it was like 60 bucks. And I'm just gonna show you how to put it in now. We go back to the time lapse. We got some well, they were T30. I don't know what these are. But the original bolts I took out were a T30 on the bottom and a 10mm for the top. That's what you're gonna need. So I'm gonna go back to my time lapse. I'm gonna put this all back in and we're gonna pull out the spark plug after we got all that done. Put the fuel tank back on, put fuel back in it, and see if it works. We'll be back soon. Alright, now that we got it installed, I found a random wire. I'm not sure where it goes. I'll show you guys in a minute. I just want to make sure it still turns over and everything works as it should before I install the rest. So, we're going to plug it in and hope to God I did everything right. It appears I've done everything right. So, let me get you out of this holder. So I don't know if any of you can tell me what this goes to. This is a MaCheen MTD, 8 horsepower, 26. So yeah, I don't know what that goes to. But this is what I was looking at. You got 1/2-inch bolts. You got 2 10s right there. That's an 11. And then you got some T30s right there. That's how you get all that out. Now we're going to put the gas tank back on. Get everything buttoned up. Make sure it runs good. We're going to pull up the spark plug here in a little bit. Check that, make sure that's good. And yeah, I'm going to switch back to the time lapse. And you guys can watch me put the MaCheen together. That's what we're doing. I'm just a MaCheen. I don't snow blow for nobody but you. I'm not just a MaCheen. You think it'd be a snow blow machine rather than a MaCheen? Because it snow blows. I don't know. I don't know what I do with my pliers. I'm sure you guys watch me set them down, but I don't know where the heck I lost them at. Alright, now we get to see what kind of mysteries the spark plug holds, because it sat outside for a while after I got it. It sat outside for a while after I got it, so who knows what it looks like. And I got it from some old man that liked to take stuff apart and fix everything. We all have one of those in our lives. Someday it'll be me. You know, I'm not mad about that. Really not mad about that. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm not mad about it. Gapped a little heavy, but it's clean. We're just gonna put that right back in there. Alright. So now the spark plug's good, we got fuel. Let's see if we can't get this thing started.
Have you messaged him?
Yeah, I let him know. He asked me to come do it. I told him if I can get by there tomorrow. I was texting him while I was eating. Alright, so first off, I don't want to get yelled at by the comment section. I don't want to get yelled at by the comment section, so I'm going to open up the door so I don't kill myself. Hopefully there's no license plates in the background. I should probably check. Perfect, there's not. Alright. So, alright everybody, thanks for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video if you feel like I earned it. If you guys think I did a good job. If you like my content and I'm at all entertaining, please share the love by doing all of that for me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.